Hello everybody out there. In this session we shall discuss the first laws of exponents. The first law is a raised to m times a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. Now what do I mean by this? Let us consider the following multiplication, that is 2 cubed multiplied by 2 raised to 4. What does this mean? 2 cubed means 2 is multiplied 3 times, 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, and 2 raised to 4 means 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So how many 2's have you repeated out here? The base is 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So let us have a shorter way of explaining this or understanding this law. Since 2 is repeated 3 times and 2 is repeated 4 times, instead of taking this long consuming way, we can go 2 raised to, add the two exponents, that is 3 and 4. 2 raised to 3 plus 4, which is 2 raised to 7. So instead of writing or expanding 2 cubed and 2 raised to 4, with the bases the same, just add the exponents and you get 2 raised to 7. So do you see here 2 raised to 7 and 2 raised to 7? Let me give you more examples to understand this. What about 5 square times 5 raised to 5? Here the base is 5 and the exponents should be added, 2 plus 5, which is 5 raised to 7. Another example, 3 raised to 8 times or multiplied by 3 raised to 3. Following the law 1, a raised to m times a raised to n, it is a raised to m plus n. 3 raised to 8 plus 3, which is 3 raised to 11. Let me give you one more example. 2 raised to 5 times 2 raised to 5. Since the bases are the same, you will have to go by the law 1, that is a raised to m times a raised to n is a raised to m plus n. So a is the basis, which is the same, and m and n, that is this 5 and this 5, as m and n. The result is 2 raised to 5 added to 5, which is 2 raised to 10. So I hope you got the first law. Well, I'm sure you enjoyed and understood this session. To learn the next concept, click on the video here. You can also subscribe to my channel here and continue to enjoy learning more and more concepts.